Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you a new product I received. That it's it's an Ourokhome Silicone baking mat. Okay, I like it because really the box, I think it's very pretty, and if I open it, the first product it came, it's like this like type of, or that we can use it in the mat. Okay, and then it came here the mat. Okay, so in this part, oh my god, in this part. Okay, so I'm going to take off the mat on the back, and really the mat is really too big, like you can see it's really big. Okay, oh, you have it the other way, and I like it because it came with the measures. Okay, so here it says the measurement table. It says like one cup, it is equal to 8 ounces, it's equal to 16 tablespoons, it is equal, okay, like here in this part, and it is equal like 1 cup to 237 millimeters. And also in this part it comes like a type of ruler. Okay, so really it's incredible. Okay, it's like this the product, and here in this part it says the temperature. So this one, it will help you a lot. It says like Fahrenheit and like the Celsius, like the change of the temperature. And well, in all the parts it comes like the, yeah, like for example here it says inches, and then here in this part it says centimeters. Okay, so I like this product because it won't stick when you knead dough, then the mat won't slide when you knead. Okay, it's very great. Then the convention and clear scale, okay, that I like it a lot also. It's like this, right? Then it includes a great value gift, that it's a stainless steel. The other thing that I like from this mat is that it's very easy to clean and store, and also because it's a dishwasher saver. And like I already mentioned you, it's a silicone baking mat. Okay, so you can use it to bake. If I do this, it doesn't move the product. Okay, so it also comes with this. So for example here, like you can see, it has like the measurements, so I can like put it and see how much it measures the product I have. And also I like it because it contains here some type of measures, okay, in this side, so I don't need like to have any more a ruler and having like a lot of products. And this one, it will helps me, like for example, to cut it, okay, here like in pieces, and move it. Okay, look, it's very practical. Okay, for example, we are going to do another cut here, and like you can see the mat, it doesn't move because it's really good, the product. And like you can see, it's like big, so it will helps you a lot. Okay, and for example, if I need a product that measures maybe from 11 to 12, okay, so I can cut from here the product, and then maybe like roll it, okay, like this. And like you can see the mat, it's not moving. Okay, for example there, so I'm going to cut in the middle and then move it, and then for example like measure if it's good. Okay, like you can see there, it's from 11 to 12, so I think that it will help me a lot instead of having here a ruler, because here you have everything you need in this big mat.